how to log in into your region's mortgage account. So the first step is to simply search for region's mortgage account and then click on the first link, which is this one here at the top of the search. Then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on login here at the top, then go to personal here, and then simply click on my mortgage. Then you're gonna get redirected to this page where you're gonna have to simply enter your online ID and password and then simply click on login. Now, if you don't have an account, simply click on enroll, and as you can see, you can access your loans online, you can pay your mortgages payments online, and you can view your mortgage statements. So simply click on enroll, and then you're gonna have to simply enter your loan number, your social security number, property address state, property address county, and the valid email, and basically that's all. So simply click on continue. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.